Netflix made an anime using AI due to a labor shortage, and fans are pissed. Anime fans are pretty serious bunch, Will. Agree or disagree?
I think so.
Serious bunch.
I think anime for them is like a traditional art form.
Well, even the way you just said it right there.
What?
Even the way you just said it right there. You got to just do that one more time for us.
Well, yeah.
No, say the word one more time for us.
Anime?
Anime.
You're exaggerated there.
No, you
bud.
just outed yourself, man. You outed yourself. You're legit now.
I'm not too much of an anime fan.
You're street cred, dude. You're all types
Or
of
Game of Thrones, but you know.
No, come on, man. Tell the truth. You're watching those things.
I've only watched a few,
Go ahead.
and some are really good.
Give a recommendation.
Cowboy Bebop is really good.
Okay, there you go. I knew you were into
This guy.
I knew you had stuff going on.
You should watch it, dude. It's one of the great animes.
No, listen.
Come on,
For the record, and for the record, does it have to be a series, or can I just watch a movie? Does that count?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, because I watched some of those movies, like Ghost in the Shell, and I like that stuff.
It's great.
No, I like that stuff. It's just more the series stuff. I can't watch any of these series. I told you I watched the tennis stuff going on.
Yeah.
They were swinging the rackets around.
I think there's an anime about that.
Okay, there's a new film called The Dog and the Boy. It's using AI-generated art for its backgrounds. Oh, dear Lord. Well, you can understand why people are pissed, right? Because they're like, what about all these artists, man? Like, this is a whole thing. You're like, this is a whole... What about you? Are you pissed? Because you're doing the drawing and stuff.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I feel like they're taking jobs away from artists, and it makes the show have less of a soul.
Yeah, but what's weird is we talk about it in other avenues, like with the lawyers coming in the other day, and we're like,
Yeah, that's fine.
It's weird, right? Like, what is the double standard? Like, what is it allowed to be used for, not allowed? Like, everybody's jobs, I've even said it, even ours, are these jobs over here.
We're going to be obsolete.
You know, why can't I just look like that guy right there and be AI generated and have all the best chat GPT stories? And, you know, the guy, that dude would crush what I'm capable of. That dude doesn't get tired. I'm sitting over here. I'm on Farm Boy Coffee number 12.
Yeah.
The other guy, that version of this guy.
24/7 live stream.
Yeah, dude. Ready for anything.
Delivering future news.
Yeah, the news that didn't even happen yet.
Yeah.
Wow. Imagine that predictive. Because it's got such a finger on the pulse. It knows about stuff before it happens.
Yeah, probably markets. That'll be interesting.
Because of all the inputs. 100 million users. There'll be 500 million in a moment. All just constantly feeding it. Open the sky. Why do I feel like it's... never mind.
Okay.
This would be a good time for sci-fi right now. We need more. I'm asking for more from sci-fi right now.
What do you mean?
I just need some new sci-fi that's taking all of this into account, what's happening, and is going to project...
Like a show?
50 years.
Like an anime?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, yeah.
In a tweet, Netflix Japan claimed the project, a short called The Dog and the Boy, uses AI-generated art in response to labor shortages in the anime industry. As an experimental effort to help the anime industry, which has a labor shortage, we used image generation technology for the background images of all 3-minute video cuts. And I guess they were kind of excited by it. They're like, this is cool, right? And then people were like, no, not cool.
Yeah.
We wanted the old school.
Man, I'm also conflicted now because I think about how hard animation is to do if it's just straight up hand drawn. Yeah, it's a double-edged sword. It's a double-edged sword.
Isn't it always?
Yeah. Dude, it's hard. Like just taking so much time and effort to do it. I don't know. Would AI be better for it?
Careful.
I'm just playing devil's advocate. at the moment.
To yourself?
Yeah, I'm
Careful.
having a debate with myself.
It's super complex. We've obviously had tools come in over the years that have been controversial, right? At one time, the electric guitar, they're like, that's not art, right? That's not art. And it just changes over time. And the paintbrush is still there. The charcoal is still there. But also, so are all these other tools. And I'm sure at one time when animation was exclusively hand-drawn, there were probably naysayers that were like, what are you trying to do, Pixar? Like, you're going to ruin everything.
Yeah, with 3D animation.
Now, I understand philosophically we're in a whole different place now where it's all types of like remixed art that stuff is trained on. And then the artists are sitting there saying, wait, we built this monster to kill us? No, thank you. Did you ask to in terms of the data set? And then they're saying, we didn't have to ask. You put it on the web. Loser. I mean, they're not saying loser, but you know where I'm going with this, Will.
Yeah.
Very complicated times. Will you watch the AI-generated anime? I mean, obviously, it's just the backgrounds. Will you be watching this on Netflix?
At the moment, probably not.
You will not be checking
I'm
it
on
out.
the side of the artist for now.
Oh, okay. A week from now, you'll be...
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
All right. Unbelievable.